By the way, we call it Silent Tool Plus.
Wow, this is also smooth machining, nice cutting chip.
Right. Higher cutting speed, bigger depth of cut, and a higher feed as well.
Hello, machinist. I'm Show Nakamura from Nakamura-Tome.
Hello, machinist. I'm Hiro Kuratani Nakamura-Tome.
Today, invited special guest. So, Mr. Kawada from Sandvik compound.
Nice to meet you.
So, Mr. Kawada is specialist for the Sandvik compound company for innovation tool. Today, we'll show this kind of the new and nice product. And for precision machining or multitask machine. Our content is non-stop machine stock. This is episode 6 and part 2. We will stop your machining provided by Sandvik Command. We question you about interior. So Mr. Koda, what is that? So this is a big one.
Oh, this is a bit secret, so we can explain about this a little bit later.
Okay, everyone, can you hear that? Secret. We love the secret, right? Please wait a minute. So everyone, let's start the machining. Oh, this is a silent. Looks like long boring bar. Wow. Entire machine in the turning center is boring, turning inside of the workpiece. Stop! So what is that? This is a long boring tool. Is this dumping boring bar from Sandvik Command, right?
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
You cannot see the damper from outside of the bar, but actually inside the bar has a damping mechanism.
Oh, yes.
And then you can machine with very long overhang without vibration. So that's why we call it silent.
Oh, how long that is a bar?
We have several types of silent tools boring bar. The one you can see now in the movie is 10 times the overhang
Okay,
type.
see.
So you can have an overhang up to 10 times of the bar diameter.
What about the diameter of the bar?
The bar you can see now is 40 millimeters,
So means the length is
400.
over 400.
Wow, 400. It's very long. So what is the material of this bar?
This bar 10 times the type is steel bar.
Steel
with a dampening mechanism inside. But if you want to go for more deeper, much deeper components, we can offer longer overhang up to 12 times the, 14 times the, and sometimes even 60.
At that time, the material change.
Then the bar needs to have a higher static strength. So we use the carbide material on the bar.
Okay.
Some area is a carbide material, right? Another area is a standard steel or something like that. See.
You use this kind of nice special tool for our factory, right?
Yes, our machining factory using that one. But the overhang length is quite long.
Okay.
14 times. The diameter I guess 60.
So maybe carbide one.
Right.
Then, dumping mechanism.
Yeah. Then making our special spindle.
We use this kind of system. So in our factory. So this is a good system. I think.
Thank you.
Start again. So this is the inside boring. Oh, it's very smooth. How is the cutting condition in the Hiro?
Stop. It seems like very fast feed rate, right?
Feed rate is 0.4.
0.4. Wow.
The cutting depth is 3 millimeters.
3 meter. I see. Normally, this is like water oil system we are using, but this time just to show for dry cutting. Right?
Yes, dry cutting in this movie is only for demonstration purpose.
Okay.
So
Actually,
normally, we recommend to use internal coolant.
Internal coolant.
Damper mechanism inside has a weakness, high temperature.
Okay.
So keeping the temperature low is good for longer tool life.
It's important to provide the coolant inside. So that's better for this life of tool.
Yes.
And I'm really curious about the secret of the Sandvik Command company. What is the mechanism of this damper?
We will make a hole inside of the bar and we put the damper mass. But the damper mass is not fixated completely. With rubber spring, the damper has a small room to move around. If the bar vibrates, then the damper inside moves a little bit delayed. The damper as a hit the bar body as a counter the vibration is eliminated by the damper movement.
So moving opposite direction for against the vibration.
Yes.
We don't know about this
Yes.
mechanism, but we offer already to the customer. Today, we already have a lot of things to learn. So from you, so this is a nice episode, I think.
Right,
Okay.
right.
So let's start again. Nice cutting condition. Okay. Looks inside charcoal, Asahi. Beautiful.
Beautiful
Okay.
shot.
What is that? This is a finishing process.
Yeah. I see.
Okay. That machine completely. So what is that? It's connected to PC and wow, in the application it's connected to sensor and put the bonder put there. What is that?
Stop.
Surprise!
They are using like this.
He is a setup a boring bar inside the machine.
Yeah.
Now he is adjusting the center height
By
of the bar.
hand. By hand.
By hand, yes. And normally,
Yep.
the silent tooth boring bar, they don't have a flat face on the shank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not easy to set the correct center height.
Yes.
But as you can see in the movie, we have a sensor tool to help to set up the bar. So with this sensor, you can see the current center height of the bar on the screen, on the PC screen.
I see.
So it's very easy to adjust. Easy and correct.
I see.
Okay. So let's start again. Then so counterclockwise, triangle white torrents. Then finally fasten the tool.
I see.
This is a tool temperature. What is that? Okay. It's not up. So also put this sensor to the bar. At that time, you also sensing about the temperature of the tool.
Yes.
You said is this tool is need to the maintenance, need to keep nice temperature inside. So maybe you check the temperature.
The rubber spring inside is weak against the heat during machining. So to keep the rubber spring cool and use the tool longer, you need to control the temperature with internal coolant. And sometimes you can check the actual temperature with the sensor.
I want to buy it. And then put here and put there.
Yeah, right.
It's very nice.
Yes, yes.
Oh, what is that? Count. Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Stop!
Wow.
So this sensor is not only for setup and measuring temperature. Also, this sensor can be used for health check of the damper mechanism inside. So with this sensor and this hammering test, you can see the performance, current performance of the damping mechanism by comparing the data from the previous test. You can see this result X and Y. This means in both X and Y direction how the damper is working correctly or not.
Also, the result is divided X-axis vibration result and Y-axis vibration. So need to keep maintenance and keep nice status. And if you have a problem, we can see so immediately from this kind of application device.
Exactly.
Good. Let's start again. So, going back on the turret.
This is a comparison between undamped and the damped bar.
Can you hear the machining voice? Machining sound? This is the undamping boring bar on the bottom one, upper one is the damp boring bar. It's clearly changed. I like this sound.
Noisy and no noise.
Yeah. Wow, this is also smooth machining, nice cutting chip.
Right.
Wow. It's also high speed machining, I think.
Yes. So by eliminating vibration,
Okay.
I see.
you can machine
Increase cutting
with,
point.
yes, with higher cutting speed,
Ah.
bigger depth of cut, and a higher feed as well.
Stop!
Oh,
Yeah, this is a very clear comparison. Is the left one is a damper boring
Yes.
part, is a nice surface from the turning surface, and then
Right.
right one is undamper boring part. It's clearly the
Yeah, you can see a big
chattering
difference.
surface. It looks a little bit different. It's this side from the edge side and intermediate side. That is also the pattern is different.
yeah.
It's very curious about that. This left side is clearly smooth surface. So let's start again. Okay, nice surface. Boring there. It's clearly effective. Then, okay, turning again. Oh, what is that? It's a tablet. Okay.
Stop!
Oh, okay.
Now it's time for me to talk about this tool in front of us.
Oh, finally.
Okay.
So I explained a little bit about this sensor.
Yeah.
But this tool here has this kind of sensor inside the bar itself.
Yeah.
With this sensor, you can measure the center height
Okay.
and the temperature as well.
Okay.
But not only, you can measure the vibration during machining
Oh,
inside the machine,
wow.
real time.
I see.
Yeah,
Real
that's
time.
With a component like this tool is used, it's very long and deep internal bore.
Okay.
Then you cannot see inside what is happening in the machine.
Yeah, we can see.
But this sensor inside the tool can be your digital eye and ear
Oh.
instead of you.
I see.
Wow. You said this before, so you put the sensor here,
Yep.
and that is after stop the machine, then we have the setup time. Then we put here and then adjust the center height and detect the temperature of the tool. And this is during setup. And this device system put the sensor inside of this tool, so we can see also this temperature, vibration during machining process.
Yes.
Wow, that's very cool. Currently, there is a shortage of the operator in all the world. Maybe the Sandvik company see the task and maybe have the solution for something like the environment.
This is not only helping you to monitor vibration. This can also help you to educate
Oh,
young people.
Okay.
So with this kind of visualization,
Uh-huh.
the young people can learn a lot, and the learning speed also can be improved.
Understood. Is now currently hire the new guys and then need to teach and have the education time. But currently we need to shorten this time and then wanna make these guys to machine properly as fast as possible. So that is our task and for machine tool builder. But that is a nice solution from the Sandvik program. Hiro, what do you think about even like you, veteran guy, have the many knowledge about machining? During the machining process, we cannot see the inside, right?
Right, you're right. So only the entrance area we can see and hearing, but inside deep area we cannot see. No touching and nothing to do. So
Then after the machining and we see inside of the workpiece and surface and to the status.
right,
Then we assume the status of machining.
right.
But I think this kind of system also is helpful for
Yeah,
like you guys
Right,
and have
right.
the many knowledge about machining. Yeah. Then, as you said, is detect the vibration.
Yep.
So this is the hammer.
Yeah, you can try.
Okay.
You can try.
Wow. This is kind of the level of the surface roughness assume value or something.
Yes, you can see two different type of meters on the screen. This is for vibration.
vibration.
The shutter vibration during
Okay.
machining. And this one next to the shutter dimension is surface roughness indication.
Indication.
So with sensor inside, this system can show the indication of surface roughness of machine components. So you can see during machining real time without measuring the actual surface roughness. You can guess, okay, this component is machined is good enough surface roughness or not.
Okay.
Wow, that's great. Surface roughness showing this one.
We hammer here and change the screen. Also here, this is a real-time screen to change the data. We can see clearly what's the situation of the machine.
And we can offer strain gauge on the tool body. Then you can see not only this data, also load on the bar,
Okay.
and also the deflection of the bar. This is also real time during machining.
We always see the motor load and also change the cutting condition. That kind of system, if we take the cutting force properly, it's very nice information to adjust the cutting condition for us. Let's start again. Oh, this is, I love this part, the mechanism part.
Damping.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the data from the sensor can be transmitted to the transmitting unit here. And this unit can send signal, Bluetooth, wires.
Wires. Understand. Communication. Oh, that's good. Yes, indeed. So, what is the preparation for the machine? So we need to add some device or we need to change the design?
So you can use this Silent 2 Plus with your machine without any modification
Oh, really?
on the machine.
So we can add this tool for existing machine in the
Yes,
customer's
yes, of
factory.
course.
If we change the lot, it's very tough to add this kind of device to existing machine, but if no change, it's very easy. So this is the electrical cable.
Yep.
And do you have the battery inside?
Yes, this silver cylinder you can see now is the battery
Okay.
for this transmitting unit.
Silent tool plus, right?
Yes,
This one is just a silent tool.
yes, this one is normal Silent
Normal
2,
silent tool.
and this
one
is Silent 2 Plus.
plus.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kawada. It's very informative episode. Nakamura-Tome and Sandvik Koroman always offer a nice, innovative, and multitasking and high precision solution for the customer's factory. So let's cut the burden of manufacturing together. If you like this video, please subscribe and press high rating. So, see you machinists. Bye.
Bye now.
Bye bye.